Welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. I got Drew here.
Hey.
And we've got something very special that was sent to me, and we're gonna do some videos, we're gonna be doing some brews, all kinds of cool things. But I wanted to share that information out there, mainly because I love homebrew shops, and I wanna help promote the homebrew shop out there that sent this to me as much as I can. So if anybody lives near them or didn't know they were even within driving distance, or you just happen to be heading to see somebody over in that area and you're a home brewer, you can swing in. Well, here's a card.
Yep, it's a My Brew Supply. Robert sent us some cool stuff here. We've got 2 kits. They actually provide, not just kits, but like equipment, supplies, malts, hops, whatever you need, right? But for beer, wine, cider, and even soda. And they also do some requests too, if you can't find what you need.
Which is pretty cool. The big thing here is I wanted to just, kind of go over the kits and tell you what came in it, what it is. We're gonna do other videos later when I get a chance to brew with each one of these. So we'll do the brew video, the day video, the whole brew day, and we'll turn around and we'll do the tasting videos. But he was kind enough to send this all to me, prep it, ask me what I want. I'm like, send me what you sell the most of, what's real popular. And he's like, okay, I know what I'm gonna send you. And hooked this up, and I do appreciate it, Robert, huge kudos. And also it's in Solon, Ohio. And I may be destroying that, I'm hoping not, but it's S-O-L-O-N, Ohio. Zip code 44139. It is 3333410 Cromwell Drive?
Cromwell Drive,
Cromwell.
Solon, Ohio.
Sorry, I need better glasses. They keep telling me these are fine, but they're really not. But yeah, Cromwell Drive. So if you're near Solon, Ohio, if I'm saying that correctly, swing in, say hi, check him out. Yes, you don't have to. You can go to his website, which I'll post it down there and I'll put it in the description.
It's mybrewsupply.com. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah, nice, simple. Yeah. Show them some love. So here we go. Here's what we got going on. This one right here, and I would like to tell you what this is, but I forgot. I just opened it to make sure that the hops got put in the freezer and the yeast got put in the fridge. But this is his premium German Pilsner. He sent ales because he feels that most people in home brewing don't have the ability to lager. I know I didn't for years, many, many years, and it takes a lot more equipment to do that. But what he does is he sends you 2 pages. One is your ingredients and kind of the rundown, and then the other one is the instructions. So you don't have to be a really amazing home brewer that knows everything. You can be a beginning home brewer that's doing all grain. I pretty much guarantee he's got extracts and stuff like that, but this is for all grain, and it is a Pilsner lager, although like I said, we're gonna do it as an ale. And it's premium German blonde Pilsner. It's gonna hit around 4.8 on the ABV. It's gonna be around 23.1 in IBUs. We know that's kind of theoretical, and it's a 5-gallon kit. So we have 6 pounds of American Pilsner, 2 pounds of Vienna malt, and 1 pound of Munich light malt, which I'm really starting to like Munich's over some of the crystals. And we've got 2 hop additions, a 30-minute and a 20-minute. And he's got night, I love this, it makes it easy. 2 1-ounce Hallertau metal. I always mess up that word.
I don't know.
Yeah, but it's Hallertau hops, German Hallertau hops. We've got 1 ounce each, and there are 2 additions for each of those. I know it's funny, some people are, oh, well, I'm only doing this much. I love it when it's nice, big round numbers. It makes life easy. Everything came pre-crushed, which for me, I could crush it, but hey, that saves me time. Yep. Yeah, everything's nice. He didn't ship you air, he's shipping the product. And then we got Nottingham yeast, which I haven't used in so long, but I used to love this stuff. So I'm looking forward to brewing some stuff with Nottingham again. I'm gonna get this out of the way. I got one more kit here, and I wanna make sure you get to see that from My Brew Supply. Let's push that one out. I'll let Drew open this one. This one comes with Saz hops.
Yeah, so there you go.
Well, you can jump in there. Okay. We got the Nottingham yeast.
2 packs of Saz, 1 ounce each, of course.
And what are they? They're a 60-minute and a 30-minute edition. And then we got 4 pounds of Maris Otter, 4 pounds of Vienna malt, 8 ounces of Carapils. It's all mixed in.
Oh, mixed in, okay.
Yeah, and then 16 ounces of Munich light malt. And pretty decent grain bill there. It's 5.4% ABV, about 25 IBUs. What is that? That's 9.5 pounds. And yeah, and then like I said, it's got kind of the recipe, tells you everything. That's an estimated 75% efficiency. And then he's got the instructions here. And I think it's funny, he's saying something about, filling 3 gallons with about 130-ish water, and he jokes, this is my tap water. That's some hot tap water. It could be in Florida. I thought it was hot down here. But yeah, that's some hot tap water. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Like I said, it's mybrewsupply.com, and Robert's the owner. And if you're in Solon, Ohio or near it, swing by, say hi, check him out. Check out his website. Like I said, I'll keep the website down there and I'll put it in the description, but just go check out his website. Cost you nothing to check it out. Check out his products. Appreciate you. Thank you, Robert, and look forward to brewing the kits, and we'll do videos on those. Cheers.
Cool.